Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your cellular plan allows Personal Hotspot and that you have data left. This prevents sudden cutoffs. Next, open Settings, turn on Cellular, then Wi-Fi, and tap Personal Hotspot to enable it. Make a clear, strong Wi-Fi password so others can't join unexpectedly, and note the iPhone name that appears. This is what you'll select from other devices. Once done, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi advertising are active, so devices can discover your hotspot quickly. Now connect your other device. On the laptop or tablet, pick your iPhone name from the Wi-Fi list and enter the password you set. That's the simplest path. Alternatively, pair via Bluetooth for lower power or use Instant Hotspot if both devices share the same Apple ID. This skips manual passwords. While connected, return to Settings on the iPhone to watch connected devices and current data usage. Watching these numbers helps you avoid unexpected throttling or overages during heavy transfers. To finish, turn off Personal Hotspot to conserve battery and prevent unintended access. You can also disconnect individual devices in Settings. If a device won't connect, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, then try restarting the iPhone and the client device. This clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, check for a carrier settings update and, as a last resort, reset network settings. This clears saved networks and often resolves stubborn handshake or IP issues, so your hotspot works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.